flimsy it is. It's like
it's because we cut all the
cut
black
out
shit.
fucking support.
This looks whack. There we go. That is with no bumper. This part should be pretty fucking cut and dry. Just gotta pull, there's 3 bolts on this side, 3 bolts on the other side, and slide her off. And probably what I'm gonna do before I install the bash bar is install the stock FRS bash bar and see if it fits. If it fits, that means this car and that car have the same bash bar as the bumper. Sad bumper. This is for anybody that's been asking about the rear bumper cuts that I've been neglecting to talk about for fucking 2 years. You literally just cut along the black line.
You have to have yourself a heater though.
That's all you do. But you need one of these. I guess I'll take this bash bar off first. Wonder what sizes these are, huh? Oh, she's bottomed out. That's all you have to do.
It's gonna taste like soap.
You just gotta hold the phone.
It's gonna taste like soap.
What's gonna taste like soap?
Your flavor. I get it. I get it because he's meaning like a flavor.
As long as I'm not spending money. This is my work.
$35 on a piece of so you just spent $35 on some gold tape. You are. You're really
Ready?
getting the one dude with Parkinson's right now.
I do not have Parkinson's.
He kinda does.
Thank you guys. All this shaky cam footage. It's like a World Star clip.
This is the FRS one. This is the test of all tests.
I think it's
To what? To see if you can
if it
swap your wing between the FRS and
Go wherever I want it to go.
swap the wing and swap the
No
bash bar.
fucking way, dude.
just for shits and giggles, we gotta throw the wing on the FRS at some point.
This is bullshit. You know all those people I messaged, I was like, can you make a bash bar for my WRX? And they're like, no, we can't. Yes, they can.
It's like the same bash bar.
I'll put it side by side. One's just wider. This whole time, I could have had whatever bash bar I wanted without having to make it.
So now you're gonna have a cool bash bar
Yeah. I'm gonna go get
with
it.
extra attachments.
The last thing I'm doing is I'm picking this up, putting it on. That's all I'm doing for tonight.
I'll probably just stay up till like midnight again. And then I'll be angry and miserable all day at work tomorrow. Last week when you were like, I have all next week off, I was like, I'm not getting any sleep next week.
You're right. And then after this, I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna play Call of Duty.
Okay.
Because that's what we do in this house.
Wow.
Oh darn, you've convinced
Son of a
me.
bitch. I'm in. Chassis mount, dude.
Yeah, dude, I know, but I'm always amazed.
What really sucks though is that if I decide to keep with the sleek style, I'm always going to be overshined by you guys.
Bro, people are just
Aggressive
gonna
and-
talk shit about my car now. This is like the definitive line.
People already talk shit about your car, dude. Like,
Camber and then a chassis mount wing plus a wide body. Are you kidding me? If we keep vaping, we're gonna create a creature.
we'll name it Chintzy.
Chintzy.
He sounds like a fucking vape being hit.
Yeah.
Chintzy, where are you?
Day 2, and I'm picking back up where I left off. This is how I'm gonna decide where I cut. All I did is I put masking tape and I outlined. You can see I got my 2 big lines coming down, so that's my initial cut, and then I'm gonna mock it up. This is my max do not pass line for cutting. It's gonna start here, it's gonna go down, and then it's gonna stop here. That's my max do not cut pass line. Hope this works. Now I gotta cut that new line on both sides. See where that takes me. Cool, I'll show you this. Hopefully that's the same. So that means I'm gonna need to cut more. Probably gonna need to cut to this bottom line, which is fine. That's why I had the do not pass line, and I just, you know, you wanna kinda cut and fit. I got it pretty much done. I just need to widen this line on the inside. The arm is gonna mount to this guy, and then I should be able to mount everything up. It's gonna look sick. I'll survive. Won't beat me.
I gotta like swing underneath the wing.
Shaped differently than I thought it would be.
What, has more curvature than you thought?
Not only that, but like I don't know, the front has like, it's not completely curved in the back. It's like curved and then flat and then curved, and then the front, it like curves out. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Jesus.
Holy shit, dude.
Fucking outrageous.
What I'll probably do in a couple months or a couple weeks, I'll probably get all this sanded down and get it painted matte black so it loses that gloss and it matches the roof.
Look back to where midnights broke their sleep. Awaken our memories of when we would make believe. Collide, colors of the masquerade.
I got it on, finally. I'm pretty excited to finally get to this point to where I can feel content with the way this car looks and the way the car performs. I have a couple more things planned, but I don't know if I'll be able to do everything else that I have planned, at least not this season. I'm not sure. I have a couple little odds and ends I know I can accomplish. I'm gonna replace these with a different design, and I want it matte black. I've been talking for a while about getting a carbon trunk, and it's gonna happen. I just don't know if it's gonna be this season or next. Ultimate goal for this car is to have carbon hood, the carbon duckbill trunk, matte black wing to match the rest of the Aero, and then I'm gonna pull off the banner, all the other stickers, and I'm gonna completely redo all of that, and I want to wrap the car. But that's the goal here. That's probably the most aggressive thing I've ever done, and I don't regret it. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took a couple weeks to make. Same thing with the wheels. That should be dropping in my time tomorrow. This should have already dropped for you guys by the time you see this. Thank you guys for all of your support. We're almost at, 1,200 subscribers, which is huge. Hopefully we can keep growing. That way we could build more things. We got a lot coming up for this, those, and then Josh's Sylvia.